3 unusual hacks to dramatically remove tooth stains. So look, I understand that we love to eat and drink. It's part of our life, but it can cause teeth to turn yellow if you don't take proper care. So that's why in this video we will be talking about how teeth stains occur and what you can do to get rid of your yellow teeth. How do teeth stains occur? Well, there are a few ways. Number 1, intrinsic stains. Number 2, extrinsic stains. Intrinsic stains, also known as internal staining, can be attributed to factors such as genetics, antibiotics, high levels of fluoride, and developmental disorders that can start before the tooth is erupted. After eruption of the tooth, some dental restorations can cause tooth staining. Exposure to excessive fluoride. Dental fluorosis is a mineralization defect that can affect dentin negatively, eventually causing the discoloration of teeth. Rare disorders. Dentinogenesis imperfecta causes purple, amber, or gray discoloration. Antibiotics. Tetracycline is one such medication which can affect the internal structure of the teeth, causing the color of the teeth to change. Take a look at the picture. Trauma. This could be from an accident such as a fall that has chipped or broke a tooth. This would have caused damage to the nerves and the inner structures. Extrinsic stains. This happens when the outer layer of the teeth, known as the enamel, becomes stained due to consumption of certain consumables, which include food and drink. Drinks such as tea, coffee, wine, and certain fruit and vegetables can destroy the whiteness of the teeth. Take, for example, berries, which are high in antioxidants and have numerous health benefits, but at the same time have the potential to stain teeth. The deep blue hue in raspberries, cranberries, blueberries, and blackberries causes the stains, so after you've consumed these fruits, please swish your mouth with water to remove any residue left over from the berries. Smoking and chewing tobacco. Teeth have pores just like the skin, so any nicotine and tar can easily get into these small pockets, causing yellow or brown stains. Even electronic cigarettes won't make a difference because nicotine is colorless on its own, but when exposed to oxygen, it turns yellow. 3 natural treatments to remove stains. The first one is baking soda and lemon juice. You will need baking soda, lemon juice, and a toothbrush. You will need to mix several teaspoons of baking soda with lemon juice to form a paste. Wipe your teeth and any extra saliva off with a towel, put this paste onto your toothbrush, and apply to your teeth, and leave it on for 1 minute, then rinse off. Do this twice a week, as doing it daily could wear away the enamel quicker due to the lemon juice being acidic. The second option is strawberry, salt, and baking soda. You will need 1 to 3 large strawberries, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of sea salt. Mash the berries into a pulp and add the pinch of sea salt and a half teaspoon of baking soda, then mix well. Wipe your teeth with a paper towel to remove excess saliva, and then apply the mixture generously onto your teeth using a toothbrush. Let the mixture sit there for 5 minutes, then rinse. You should do this every night until you start to see a difference. After that, you can tone it down to 2 to 3 times a week to maintain that whiteness. This method works especially well because strawberry is high in vitamin C and helps break down plaque. It also contains the enzyme malic acid, which aids in removing surface stains. Salt acts as an abrasive, helping to scrub away stain-causing debris. Baking soda also acts as a mild abrasive, gently scrubbing away stains to reveal whiter teeth. The third thing you can try is coconut oil. It sounds a bit weird, but coconut oil has great healing properties. It contains lauric acid, which helps get rid of bacteria found on plaque that can make your teeth yellow. It also supports gum health and freshens your breath. For this, you will need a tablespoon of coconut oil. Before brushing your teeth in the morning, take a tablespoon of coconut oil and place it into your mouth and let it soften. Push, swish, and pull the oil in and around your teeth for 10 minutes. Then spit out and rinse with water before brushing your teeth as you normally would. All the remedies mentioned above will help you on your way to getting your teeth into a whiter shade, but don't think of these as magic cures. They are not. As with anything else, it takes time and patience to see results. Set up a routine and do this religiously for at least a month, and you will start to notice a massive difference. Hopefully this video has helped you in some way. Just make sure to at least try one of the remedies and see how it goes. But before you go, please subscribe, share, and comment. All right, folks, we will see you later.